Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ghost effect in Filmora 10. So the effect will look like this. I'm waiting here and now. Oh, yee. Hello Jacky, what are you doing? Are you sleeping? Pew, 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 pew. I'm an imitation of yourself. Okay, I have to be back to my body. Shh. That is nice, right? Okay, let's go. Oh, I don't like to be a ghost. Okay, so this effect is very easy to create in Filmora 10. Just a little bit trick about opacity and free frame. So I think it is very simple. By the way, the first part you need to do is filming. So I have to film myself sitting here and then stand up and then acting some weird things like. It's funny, so I think anyone can film that short video. By the way, I'm going to put the footage, the original footage, at the end of the tutorial, so you can watch it, so you can maybe know how to film yourself being a ghost. Okay, and actually this is a footage of me. So at the end of the tutorial, just keep watching. And now we have to create a new project, and this is my Filmora 10. So I'm going to create a new project here. Okay, and then I have to import my footage into the media library, right, as normal. So I'm going to drag and drop it. Here is my footage, and the first thing I want to drag and drop it. Alright, so here I have already put my clips into the media library. So let's put it on the timeline by clicking this button and match to media. And the next thing, we want to find the position where I start doing like this, and also the position where I wake up. Okay, so let's press this button to view everything on the timeline. And now let's play the video. Okay, I think at this position. Okay, so at this position I want to have me moving out of the chair, and we are going to add a marker here. So let's press some M on your keyboard to add a marker for this position, and we are going to find another position where I come back to my chair, and I think it's here. No, not here. Okay, so at this position, there is another point in my footage that I go out of my chair and then go back to my chair. So we are going to add another marker here. Alright, so the next thing, we want to add free frame to this position. Okay, so to add free frame in Filmora 10, it is very simple. Just right click at the footage, and then you have the free frame button here. Just click on that. Alright, so we have this one and this one. This is a free frame, and now we need to duplicate this part. For example, I'm going to split the clip here at this position, and now I'm going to copy this one. Just right click and copy this one, and then I'm going to lock this track and press Ctrl V to paste the clips at this position. All right, now that's simple, right? And now we need to find the position where I am moving out the frame like this here at this position. So I'm going to split the clip on top, and then delete this one. Okay, and I'm going to move this clip to this position. Okay, and the next thing is very simple. Just reduce the opacity of this clip, the top track. To do that, we are going to double click at the clip, and then go to the compositing here, compositing option. And now you need to reduce the opacity to 15%, 15%. By the way, it's up to you. You can choose 20, 30 or stuff like that, and then press enter to apply. Alright, so this is the video effect that we have just created with Filmora 10. So let's play it. Hopefully it will not laggy. Okay, so I'm moving out of the frame, out of my chair, and here I return to my chair. It looks nice. By the way, the preview is not very smooth because I'm trying to make a tutorial on my old laptop. So okay, by the way, never mind, it's just a trick you want to do. So at this position, when I see my body return to my chair, it show a little bit flicker in the frame. So to get rid of this flicker, we can just add a transition here at this position, a distort transition. So what I'm going to do is to go to transition here. So let's find the distort transition at the basic folder. Okay, so here the distort, and we can just drag and drop it at this position to create a transition. It's smoother. Okay, and finally you need to add a lot like some here at the effect tab. We have some LUT here, and there's many LUTs here, but the one that I use is the this one. Okay, the one that I use it is the core and hash LUT. I just drag and drop it here on the timeline, and then I just extend it to make the video look like something very cold. By the way, it's up to you. You can use any LUTs you want. And finally, you need to find some sound effect and background music. It is very important. Okay, by the way, it's all about the tutorial on how to create a ghost effect in Filmora 10. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.